Okay, now see the next question. Question number 9. Okay, so see the question first. Question number 9 is, in the natural number from 10 to 250, the natural number from 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 4? So this question looking similar to question number 6, उसकी तरह ही दिख रहा है, but here the number should be divisible by 4, means the multiples of the 4s we have to take, and from 10 to 250. Okay, let's first prepare the list of the numbers. Now solution. The list of numbers from 10 to 250. List of, here you add one more word, natural. The list of natural number from 1 to 250 divisible by 4 is. Okay, so here from 10. Okay, 10 from 10 means 10 is not divisible by 4. 11 is also not divisible by 4. Now yes, 12 is the first number from 10 to 250 that is divisible by 4. So first number is 12, and next number is 16, then 20, 24, so on. Now yes, 250. Okay, let's check that this is divisible by 4 or not. So here yes, divide the 250 by the 4. 4 6 are 24. Now yes, remainder is 1. This will become 10. Now yes, here 4 2s are 8. Okay, now this coming in the decimal form, but yes, our numbers is in natural number, that's why this decimal point number will not be considered. So means 250 is not divisible by 4. Okay, now yes, take the 249. 249 will also not divisible by 4. Now yes, we have to take the 247. 247 is also not divisible by the 4, and then we have to check 246. Now see 246. 4 6 are 24. Yes, it is not divisible by 4. Now you check the 248. 4 6 are 24. Now 8 4 2 are 8. Means the last number is 248, that is divisible by the 4. Okay, so here there is a same difference between the each consecutive terms. Now look the terms 12, next one is 16, next one is 20. So 16 minus 12 is equals to 4, 20 minus 16 is equals to 4. That's why this list is in AP. Okay, so this is in NAP. The given list is in NAP. Therefore, age equals to 12 and D is equals to T2 minus T1. So now T2 is equals to 16 minus 12 is equals to 4. Okay, we have already written that this is in AP. So now yes, difference will be yes found only once. एक ही बार क्या करेंगे, find out करेंगे हम लोग. Now here we have to find out the n. Okay, means how many numbers are there which are divisible and that are natural number from yes 10 to 250. Now yes, use the formula. Tn is equals to a, and yes, one more thing that we forgot to write, Tn means last term of this list is 248. Okay, so Tn value is equals to 248. Now yes, Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 bracket close d. This is the formula. Okay, now yes, in next step we will substitute the values. Now Tn, we do not know the value of n. This value we have to find out, but Tn value is 248. Now a value is 12, n value we don't know, minus 1 into d value is equals to 4. Here you have to write down the substituting values. Substituting values. Okay, now solve it. 248. Now bring this 12 on the left hand side. This will become minus 12. Multiply the n minus 1 with the 4. 4 into n is equals to 4n. 4 into minus 1 is equals to 4. Now yes, 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. 236. Now bring this 4 on the left hand side. This will become plus 4. This is equals to 4n. Now 236 plus 4 is equals to 240. 240 is equals to 4n. Now therefore 240 upon 4 is equals to n. Now yes, 4 1 is 4, 4 6 is 24, 4 0 is 0. So therefore n is equals to 60. So there are total 60 numbers from 10 to 250 that are divisible by the 4. Okay, now write down the answer. There are 60 numbers from 10 to 250 divisible by 4. Okay, student, understood now? Now we have to solve the question number 10. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 देखना हम लोगों को. Okay, first see the question. Question number 10. Okay. Okay, 10th question. In an AP, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. What is given over here? In an AP, 17th term. Okay, means value of 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. So whatever value found in the 10th term, okay, it is less than 7. Find the common difference. So here we have to find out the d value. Okay, so let's start. Now what is given here? T70 is mentioned and T10 is mentioned here. Okay, let's see the solution. Okay, we know that the Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 bracket close d. This is the formula. Now find out the T10. Therefore T10 is equals to a plus now 10 minus 1 d. So therefore T10 is equals to a plus, here 10 minus 1 is equals to 9, 9d. Okay, this is the one. Now yes, we have to find out the Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 bracket close d. So therefore T17 is equals to a plus 17 minus 1 is equals to d. So T17 is equals to a plus 17 minus 1 is equals to 16d. Okay, this is the 2. Now yes, according to given conditions, what is given here? T17 is 7 more than the 10th term. Okay, from, or you can write down according to given condition. Okay, value of T17 means a plus 16d. A plus 16d is 7 more than the values of T10. Now this T10 is a plus 9d and plus 7. Okay, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. Okay, now yes, open the bracket and solve it. A plus 16d is equals to a plus 9d plus 7. Now yes, bring all this term on one side. So here a, yes, this a will come this side, minus a plus 16 minus 7 is equals to 9d. So therefore a will become a plus and minus a is equals to 0, plus 16 minus 7 plus minus minus 16 minus 7 is equals to 9, plus 9 is equals to 9d. Okay, so therefore 9 upon 9 is equals to d. So here 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9. Okay, so here d is equals to 1. So yes, common difference is, write down the answer. The common difference is 1. Okay, student, understood? Now yes, unmute yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Then I will explain the formula of the 3S 3.3, and then we will start the practice set 3.3. Yes, student, is anybody having any doubts? किसी को कुछ डाउट्स है क्या? You not understood any steps? सबको सब समझ में आ गए स्टूडेंट? किसी को कोई डाउट्स नहीं है? Okay. Now yes, I am explaining the next formula that is required to solve the problems of practice set 3.3. Now student, now consider one AP. Okay, so suppose in that AP the first term is 2, next term is 5, next term is 8, next term is 11, next one is 14, and so on. Okay, so first term of this AP is 2, second term is 5, next term is 8, next term is 11, and next term is 14. Okay, now here T1 is equals to A is equals to 2. Now yes, T2 is equals to 5, and T3 is equals to 8, T4 is equals to 11, and T5 is equals to 14. Okay, so here terms are 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Okay, D is equals to T2 minus T1. So here 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Now see T1 is equals to 2. Now T2 okay is equals to 5. Already it is written here. Now yes, sum, yes, 1, sum word, sum. What is the sum? The number obtained after the additions. Okay, तो here we have to take the sum of terms. Okay, क्या लेना है यहाँ पे? Sum of terms का sum लेना है. Okay, so now here S1 means the sum of only first term. So first term is will be T1, and this equals to 2. Now S2 means T1 plus T2. मतलब यहाँ पे जो टर्म फर्स्ट है और सेकेंड टर्म है दोनों को क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट टर्म means T1, second term is equals to T2. So here 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Okay, S3 का मतलब क्या होता है, सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट थ्री टर्म, ओके, कि फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म और थर्ड टर्म तीनों का एडिशन। तो क्या होगा S3 का मतलब T1 प्लस T2 प्लस T3। तो नाउ यस T1 क्या है यहाँ पे 2 है, व्हाट इज द T2 5 एंड T3 इज इक्वल्स टू 8, ओके। तो 5 प्लस 2 7, 7 and 8 15। S4 means sum of the first four terms. So here T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 will come. Now T1 2, T2 5, T3 8 and T4 is equals to 11. So yes, up to T3 T3 तक S3 तक we got the 15, 15 plus 11 is equals to 26, and S5 means T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5. So here we have to find out the sum of the all starting five terms, okay। इसमें बीच से स्टार्ट नहीं होगा, कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा, स्टार्टिंग से, उस लिस्ट से। तो नाउ T1 is 2, T2 is equals to 5, T3 is equals to 8, T S4 is equals to 11 and T4 is equals to 26. So here we have to take sorry T5 is equals to 14. Now add all these terms. So up to T S4 we have found 26. So 26 plus 14 is equals to 40. Okay. Now understood the meaning of the S1. S1 means the sum of the first term. So sum of the first term is equals to first term. Now yes, sum of the two terms means S2. S2 means T1 plus T2 and this equals to 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Now yes, this list is a small list here. Now when the list is very big, that time this method cannot be applied because it will take more time and this will be difficult to find out the sum in this way. Means it is time consuming and लेबोरियस एंड फाइनली इट विल बी बोरियस, ओके। ये तीनों चीजें हो जाएंगी। तो दैट्स व्हाई यस देयर इज वन फार्मूला, यस यूजिंग दैट फार्मूला वी कैन फाइंड आउट द सम ऑफ द yes terms given in AP. For example, you want to find out the sum of the yes 50th term of this list or this AP। अगर उसको क्या करना है हम लोगों को, yes 50 terms निकालना है, then it will take yes much time and it will be yes it will be very laborious and there are more chances to do the mistakes while finding the S50. So now yes we have to know which formula used to find out the S50 directly or yes any one of the any sum of the yes given AP. Okay, here we do not derive the formula, just we have to remember that formula. So now yes see the formula that we have to use. Sn is equals to Sn, S means sum, okay। Earlier we were using the Tn means the position number, okay। Here the sum Sn, this is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket close d, okay। So here we will use this formula, okay। What is the formula? Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket close d. Its other for another form is Sn is equals to, now see these two, okay, is present below the n. Now multiply n with 2a and this, so what you will get, n into 2a upon 2 first term into n minus 1 bracket close d upon 2. Now here 2 get cancelled, so Sn is equals to Na plus n minus 1 bracket close d upon 2. So this is another form of this formula. This is first form, this is second form, and now it's third form, okay। If Sn is equals to n upon 2, this can be written as 2a can be written as a plus A plus A is equals to 2A and n minus 1 bracket close D. Now we know that A plus n minus 1 D is equals to nothing but Tn. Okay, so here this can be written as Sn is equals to n upon 2. Now yes, A, and here is Tn. Okay, so this is the third form of same formula. ये तीसरा फॉर्म है सेम फॉर्मूले का. फर्स्ट फॉर्म क्या है? Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus bracket close n minus 1 into d. Okay, so here its second form is Sn is equals to na plus n in bracket n minus 1 bracket close into d upon 2, and its third form Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket a plus tn, or this can also be written into fourth form Sn is equals to n upon 2. Now we know that a is nothing but the T1. Okay, so here T1 plus Tn. Understood? So this formula can be written in four different forms. चार different form में लिख सकते हैं. Okay, student, understood the formula? Okay, its derivation is not asked in the exam. Only you have to yes, remember the formula. Okay, yes, using this formula we will solve the problem of 3.3 on tomorrow. Okay, now yes, I am ending the meeting. We will meet in the next lecture.